Looking for the most convenient new community that's close to downtown Pittsburgh, the T Station, and Cool Springs? Discover what's waiting at Grove Pointe in Whitehall, where our collection of townhomes provide unmatched conveniences. Hi, I'm Lori, and welcome to Grove Pointe by Ryan Homes, and I can't wait to show you around. Do you love to cook? Our gourmet kitchens feature an oversized kitchen island, beautiful cabinetry, state-of-the-art appliances. Plus, the kitchen flows right into our family room, so now you're a part of all of those conversations while you're making lunch or dinner. I'll help you select the perfect floor plan with a luxurious owner's suite where you can escape and unwind after a long day. You'll absolutely love the tray ceiling and the walk-in closet. Want a new home for that vehicle too? Well, good news. All of our Grove Pointe townhomes include a one-car garage. You won't need to spend time cutting the grass as the lawn care services are included here at Grove Pointe. Convenience is built into every home here in the community, where our community amenities will include the walking trail, the picnic tables, a play set with swings, benches, and a beautiful gazebo. Nearby future residents can enjoy the convenience of living just a short drive from the Memorial Hall T Station, which means your commute is faster and so much easier. Take the stress out of your drive to work. Did I mention Grove Pointe is also less than 7 miles from downtown Pittsburgh, and it's just minutes from Route 88 and minutes to Cool Springs. Have the perfect night out, and you're only minutes from home. If you love to shop, Grove Pointe is also located less than a mile from Cassidy Village. This truly is a rare opportunity to build a new home in the Baldwin-Whitehall area. Schedule your visit today, and I look forward to helping you become a part of our community.